Hello, and welcome to our video on the health benefits of roses. Roses are not just beautiful flowers, but they also have a range of potential health benefits that can improve our well-being. From stress reduction to medicinal uses, roses have been used for centuries in traditional medicine. In this video, we'll explore the science behind the health benefits of roses and how they can be incorporated into our daily lives. Studies have shown that being around roses can reduce stress and promote relaxation. A study published in the Journal of Environmental Psychology found that people who were exposed to roses experienced a significant reduction in stress levels compared to those who were not. The scent of roses has also been shown to have a calming effect on the mind and body. Roses are rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which can help protect the body against free radicals and reduce inflammation. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that rose extracts had high antioxidant activity and anti-inflammatory properties. Roses have also been shown to have antimicrobial properties, which can help prevent the growth of bacteria and other microorganisms. A study published in the Journal of Essential Oil Research found that rose essential oil had antimicrobial activity against a range of bacteria. Roses have been used for centuries in traditional medicine for a range of purposes, including digestive issues, skin problems, and respiratory issues. Rosewater, in particular, has been used as a natural remedy for digestive issues and skin problems. Rose water is a popular ingredient in skincare products and has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for skin issues. It has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help soothe and calm the skin. Roses have been traditionally used to support digestive health, and some studies suggest that they may help prebiotic properties, which can help support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Roses are a rich source of vitamin C, which is essential for immune system function. Vitamin C can help boost the immune system and protect against illness. Roses have been used for centuries to support skin health, and some studies suggest that they may have anti-aging properties. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in roses can help protect the skin against damage and promote healthy aging. has been shown to have a calming effect on the mind and body, which can help reduce stress and promote relaxation. Some studies suggest that roses may also have antidepressant properties. Roses are rich in antioxidants, which can help protect the body against free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. This can help promote overall health and well-being. Some studies suggest that roses may have a role in diabetes management, as they may help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Roses are a rich source of vitamin C, which is essential for immune system function and overall health. Vitamin C can help boost the immune system and protect against illness. beautiful flowers, but they also have a range of potential health benefits, from stress reduction to medicinal uses. Roses have been used for centuries in traditional medicine. We hope this video has provided you with a comprehensive overview of the health benefits of roses and inspired you to incorporate them into your daily life.